Good morrow, sandwich fans. Sandwich Dad here. We haven't done this one in a while. Number 31, some bagel with lox. And here's what we've got. Some lox, which if you didn't know is cold smoked salmon. No-name cream shiz spread. 100% Canadian milk, keep refrigerated. Some red onion. The Great Muppet Capers. And a sesame seed bagel. The missus doesn't care for the everything bagels. Also the juice from a plastic lemon, or in this case a lime. Unless you get your bagels straight from the bagelry, I'd toast it. Then the cream shiz. Next, that beautiful lox. Now the Encyclopedia says it's a closed sandwich. I'm going to make two open-faced. Because I like it better. An open-faced is still a sandwich. Check out my Q&A if you don't believe me. Next, put on some very thin red onion. Then carefully place your capers. And just a touch of plastic lime. Admire. And enjoy. Sandwich Dad, good day.